to regret some decisions with me. Welcome back, HomeBodies. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Shannon. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today, I am organizing my refrigerator. I had to call and apologize to my kid because she was the one that initially suggested that I do it. And I was just like, hard pass. And then here I am today actually doing it. So, yeah, that's where we are. So we're gonna see how well this keeps, and I'll be giving you guys some tips and tricks along the way to maintain your produce so you don't have to go and invest in the super pricey containers versus the ones that I purchased from TJ Maxx. So I picked up these 2 small acrylic organizers that I plan to stack on top of other closed top containers that I'll show you later in the video. These were $2.99 a piece, and you will see how I use them in the overall organization of my refrigerator very briefly. Next, I picked up 4 of these small stackable containers from iDesign with a lid on it for $5.99. On my first trip to TJ Maxx, I only picked up 3 of these larger boxes by iDesign with the lid. These cost $9.99. I ended up using a total of 6 of these to organize my refrigerator. If you didn't know, we do have 4 hens in our backyard, and we should be expecting eggs any day now. These hold about 5 dozen of eggs. Even when I go to the grocery store and purchase eggs, I usually purchase 5 dozen at a time and store them in our refrigerator in the basement. And I wanted to have a container like this. I did purchase this from TJ Maxx as well for $4.99. Initially, I purchased 1, and then I went back and ended up purchasing a second one. I purchased 4 of these containers. Initially, I thought that they were like 2 different sizes. Come to find out, they were the exact same size. But I purchased these for $3.99 a piece, and I used them in my large drawer at the bottom of my refrigerator. And I must say that I love how this turned out. They are kind of short, but I don't miss that real estate, honestly, because truth be told, I overbuy food all the time, and I know me. If there is no space, I won't purchase for what I don't have space for. So I'm really grateful to even be doing this project. And if you didn't know, any weekend project still takes a week to complete. So show yourself some grace and just appreciate the process. Next, I purchased this set of 3 stackable containers that are actually meant for the pantry. These were $19.99 for the set of 3, which I did think was a good deal. I use these to store lettuce in them because lettuce can lay flat, but I use a wet paper towel at the base of these in order to still provide that cold weather effect that leaf vegetables need in order to survive in the cold, if that makes sense. And this is when my weekend project turned into a week-long project. Like I told you guys, I did have to go back to TJ Maxx and pick up a couple more items, this being one of my favorite ones. This was $6.99 for the pair, and I like it because when I am cooking with fresh herbs, sometimes I don't have a place to store them, and because I do garden, sometimes I'm getting 1 and 2s of items like small herbs, and I love that I have a place now to store them. Last but not least, I picked up 3 more of these lidded containers from iDesign for $9.99. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.